Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to teach you about recursion. So recursion is a very important concept in programming. What is a recursion? Recursion is a process when a method calls itself continuously. So when a function calls itself continuously, that function is referred to as recursive function. Okay. So here is the syntax of a recursive function. As you can see, we write the return type, the method name, and then we are calling the same method inside that method. Okay. This is also an example of recursion. Okay, now recursion is basically used to break down a complex problem in smaller repetitive problems with a base condition that is used to stop that recursion. Okay, so why do we use recursion? There are many advantages. The code becomes simpler. We don't have to write much of the repetitive code. It is more readable, it is more efficient, it is more quick. Okay, so this is the advantage of using recursion. Now there are two types of recursion. One is direct recursion and one is indirect recursion. Direct recursion means when a function calls itself. So this syntax that I told you is basically of a direct recursion. Also here is an example of direct recursion. This is an example. There is a sum function. We have parameters a and b, and I am calling the same function within this function. So it is a direct recursion. A function calls itself. Second type of recursion is indirect recursion. This is an example of indirect recursion. What happens in indirect recursion is a function calls another function and another function calls the first function in return. So a function A is calling function B and function B is calling function A. So this is what recursion, indirect recursion is about. Okay. Now direct recursion, as I told you, is of multiple types. We have basically 4 types of direct recursion. As mentioned, if the recursive call, so basically this is a recursive call. Whenever you call a function within a function or another function, okay, that is a recursive call. So here this sum is a recursive call. Here this I'm calling function B, it's a recursive call. I'm calling function A, it's a recursive call. So whenever a recursive call is the first statement of the function, when of course it is a direct recursion, then it is known as a head recursion. Okay, same way when the recursive call within a function is the last statement of that function, then it is referred to as tail recursion. There are 2 more types, that is tree recursion and nested recursion. So tree recursion means when a function calls itself more than 1 times. So as you can see, I am calling here some 3 times within some function. So it is also an example of tree recursion. Okay. And nested recursion. Nested recursion means whenever you pass a recursive call as a parameter to a recursive call, it is nested recursion. Now as you see, I am calling a sum method. So this is a recursive call. Now this is the parameter that I am passing to this recursive call, and this parameter is also a recursive call to this same function. So this is an example of nested recursion. So these are the 4 types of direct recursion. This is indirect recursion. So it's all about recursion and recursive calls. So I hope you understood it well and you find it useful. If you want to learn more on Java and programming, you can visit my website at letsunderstandjava.com. Thank you so much.